Start smart. Hey there, I'm so glad you're here. Welcome to UXBot Studio, where we learn how to design smarter using creativity, real-world thinking, and the power of AI. What is UXBot Studio? This channel is built for anyone curious about UI UX design. Whether you're starting from scratch or already exploring the field, you'll find everything here to help you build real skills with a modern twist. What you learn, we'll cover all the essentials. From UI, Sci, UX design principles to full project workflows. You'll learn how to use tools like Figma, Uizard, ChatGPT, and Midjourney to bring your ideas to life. Expect hands-on demos, portfolio tips, and real examples, not just theory. Who this is for? This channel is for beginners, career changers, students, or designers curious about how AI can upgrade their workflow. No coding needed, no design background required, just curiosity and the drive to create. Why UXBot Studio is different? What makes UXBot Studio unique is how we blend design thinking and AI tools. You'll see how AI can help you generate wireframes, UX copy, user flows, and even feedback. That means you'll spend less time stuck and more time creating. What's coming up? Here's what's on the way. Step-by-step tutorials for beginners. Real-world UI UX projects using AI tools in daily workflows. Office culture and designer life. Portfolio tips and personal branding for designers. Let's build together. This isn't just about watching. It's about doing. Every video is built to help you grow your skills and actually apply them. Subscribe now and let's build your future in UI UX together. Final note, thanks for being here. This is just the beginning. UXBot Studio is your space to learn, create, and evolve. Remember, design smarter.